lomba 17-an. Burung ini ya seleksi. Oke, guys. Pengumpulnya baik. Nggak jauh dari rumah guys, jadi kita main jauh-jauh. Oh, udah jangan main layangan, gak ada main burung. Oke guys, kita oh,
mana itu dia?
biarin aja lah. Dia mau nyari ikan, jangan lo kita kelelep kayak tadi tuh dulu. Iya. Oke guys, kita nyampe di lapaknya guys, lapaknya yang akan mengadakan. Oh dan ngebrangin.
Lepasin.
Oh iya, guys, kita mau lepasin guys. Let's go. Lepas guys.
Ngeplok ya, apa ngeplok ya?
Oh iya dong.
Aduh, capek. Kayak gitu ini nih.
Apanya? Ini burung-burungnya guys. Ini calon burung-burung yang bakal di apa namanya? Bakal apa di kontesin 17-an guys. Ini burung sepata yang paling agak jelek. Yang bagusnya lagi pada beranak.
Burung lepas ya? Burung lepas. Coklat baru. Nggak tahu nah sana. Ini yang blon giring kali ini goblok. Yang blon giring. Ya, tapi dari situ.
Kita akan nyoba yang deket-deket dulu.
Dilepas gitu ya?
Ya coba lepas lah.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em.
Mana muter dia?
Fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the
kena benang tadi dia.
Kena benang. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing. Yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic. Yeah, if I ever play, I want it.
You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want it.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Enggak, dia mah takut nih.